Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and it's time now for the best and worst player ratings after San Miguel bounces back against Blackwater Elite 93-83 at the PhilSports Arena earlier on. Ang best sa akin will be Marshall Lasseter and Ronald Tupit because both of them are playing very well. And first things first, Lasseter is very humble on playing tactics because he's proved that he's Super Marshall as well. And Ronald Tubid ay lalong gumaganda pa rin ang laro. Di katulad nung last game against Rainier Shine, nagbinangon niya kaagad ang Beerman para manalo ito. Ang worst player sa akin will be Brian Arvela because hindi niya alam kung sinong magpapasahan sa ka-teammates niya with the likes of Cabagnod, Lutz, Lasseter, and others. So, Brian Arvela will put on the worst player once again. Anyway, let us tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook at the Beerman Fan TV. Anyway, thanks for watching for the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro. We'll see you in the next video. Inshallah. Bye.